Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Galaxy Protected, and I will show you my house. So that's it. Then, so this is my room. So this is my bed. This is not my toy. So this is my bed. It's a little bit messy. This is my watch. Automatic, but it don't have a battery. But you see, it's working without battery. So how much is this? Maybe $400. I don't know. So that's it. This is my bed, and this is Elmer's bed, the Pro Clasher. You can check his channel. Just to click the link below, and you will go there. So um, this is my sister's room.
Hey, come on.
Oh,
Come on,
hey, it's
let's do this.
Elmer God here.
You want a tip? I wanted to do upgrade all your buildings before this on hold. Now, that's all.
It's nice. So this is my sister's drum. It's not good. It have 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's it. This is her room. Maybe I'm not good in English. This is her study table. So let's move to the other one. This is my father and mother's room. They sleep here, and this their room. It's not so good, but I like it. This their bathroom. I don't want to check it. So this is our room. I mean bathroom. And this our kitchen. Um, we have many fruits in here, so you see it. And this our TV. That's a big TV. You see it. And this my sister's car. You can control it by a remote, or just simply open it. Now you see the light will go on, and you can press with your foot this one, and it will move. It will go back and forward. So that's it. I hope you like this video. If you do, just click a like below, and then don't forget to subscribe for more magic videos. Oh, Elmar.
Hey, you. Fuck you.
You suck, man. Well, so that's it. It's the end of this video. But don't forget
Hey,
to
you. Shut up, you motherfucker. Fuck you. Suck my dick.
suck. So that's it. Don't forget to click the link below to go to Elmar's channel, Pro Clasher. So see you in the next future episode. Bye bye.